Walking into a granulation suite, we have high shear granulator, lifting column, binder solution preparation vessel, fluid bed dryer, tipper, mill and a blender. The raw material comes in a hermetically sealed intermediate product container and is docked to the lifting column. This bin is then hoisted to the desired height and positioned over the vibratory sifter. The docking is a simple self-aligning silicone connection. The vibratory sifter is connected with the suitable vent for dissipating the air inside it. The silicone balls provided between the decks prevent clogging of particles by constantly beating the mesh and ensuring no mesh choking. To ensure zero contamination and dusting, both inlet and outlet have been provided with silicone gasket. The discharge port of sifter has been provided with flexible Pharma grade silicone sleeve, which is connected to a cover with a vent filter, which goes over the empty IPC container, making it a closed loop charging and discharging of the sifter. After the sifting is complete, the elevator lifts the IBC and places it above the charging port of the RMG. This arrangement is a self-aligning silicone gasket, which ensures a dust-free containment. The bowl geometry ensures minimal sticking of the product on the bowl surface and zero dead space. Air purging at the shaft steel eliminates any chances of powder leakage. The chopper is located at an optimal location for highly efficient performance. Radially designed impeller provides an extremely efficient mixing effect. The HMI provision offers a user-friendly visualization as well as extensive batch data logging and documentation. WIP system enhances the CGMP and reduces downtime, thus increasing productivity. Meanwhile, the binder is prepared in a binder vessel, which is then loaded on the RMG, either through gravity or sprayed using a peristaltic pump. The end point of the process is determined using a torque-based endpoint measuring system. On the completion of the process, the wet granules are discharged through the online core mill. The core mill reduces the size of the granules prior to the fluidization. This improves the homogeneity and provides uniformly sized wet particles for drying. The discharged granules from the RMG are fed into the FBD through gravity or through vacuum loading. Once the bowl with the material is loaded into the FBD, the drying process begins. The dryer operates on 2-bar pressure with safety features like explosion ducts. Solid flow sensor ensures no leakages from finger bag. Specially designed air distribution plates help in improving the efficiency of the process. The filter shaking arrangement ensures minimal product loss during the operation and is very easy to remove, clean and reinstall, reducing the production downtime. For special drying operations, Tapasya offers tray dryers and rotocone vacuum dryers. After the fluidization process, the FBD bowl is connected to the tipper and is lifted to a predetermined height, and then the bowl is turned over. The outlet of this bowl is attached with a pneumatically operated butterfly valve. The dry milling equipment is then docked under the tipper and connected through a hermetic connection. The milling system is used for sizing of the dried particle using centrifugal shearing force. The unique geometry of the mill ensures larger surface area, thus increasing the productivity. Both the inlet and outlet of the system is provided with gaskets, which ensures dust-free operation. Depending on the size of the dried particle required, Tapasya offers a variety of other milling solutions like multi-mill, oscillating granulator, and the multifunctional sifter cum multi-mill. The product from the milling equipment is collected in an empty IBC and carried to the conta blender using a hand pallet truck. This IBC is then docked to the conta blender using hydraulic cylinders. The tumble-type blending action provides quick and efficient blending, delivering products with high homogeneity and flowability. Butterfly valve at the discharge end ensures zero spillage. To suit different process requirements, Tapasya offers a variety of blenders and mixers which include double cone blender, octagonal blender, V blender, ribbon blender, and plow shear mixer. After the blending operation, the bin is taken to the compression room. After the blending operation, the bin is lifted using an elevator and positioned over the compression machine through a Y chute. The compressed tablets from the machine are collected in an eccentric UFO bins and taken to the coating machine using a mobile elevator. After the elapse of the coating cycle, the coated tablets are unloaded into the IBC and finally taken to the packaging room using a mobile elevator and loaded into the packaging machine, completing your batch. Tapasya Engineering, your global partner for granulation process in pharmaceutical industry.